everyone, it's me Bella and welcome back or welcome to my channel. Here we do unboxings and reviews and how to do it, so if that's your thing, go check it out. But I don't want to keep you waiting too long, so let's get to the video that you clicked on. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing, opening and using this Nano Tape Magic kit that I found. It's really pretty. I love how metallic it is. The box reminds me of like those little aesthetic milk cartons. And basically, if you didn't know, it's like this kit you can make a squishy out of. So for example, like something like that, which I do not want to make, but I kind of feared that I might have to make it because I didn't realize that I was making this until I got home. But other than that, the rest of the packaging is so beautiful. Even this, I like that. I love the little axolotl, the cat drink, the random faces. Yeah, this one's me when on a happy day. And inside this kit is clear nano tape, yellow nano tape, butter slime, pump, press out more. At the back it says it's the latest viral craft sensation, which it totally is because people have been making squishies out of it, everything. So I want to try something like that as well, and I want to see if I can make it into a hobby or something like that. Maybe even make more videos about it because this seems really, really fun. At the back it says try the viral craft trend for yourself. Yep, that's targeted towards me. This fun kit includes everything you need to make 3 super cute nano tape creations. Just add scissors, which I have here, and follow the steps to make an amazing nano tape project, and scan the QR code inside this pack for lots more hints, tricks, videos and instructions. So, and if you want more nano tape fun, head to nanotapemagic.com. So if you want to like see that, so if you want to try something like this out, it's called Nano Tape Magic, and later I will show the QR code. Oh, that's so cute. But I'm gonna stop yapping and we can start opening. Ooh. Let's pour it out. Ooh. Ooh, oh no. There's so much stuff in here. That's it, actually. Okay guys, I zoomed in a bit because I thought the angle would be a bit better, but here we go. We have these mini markers, the slime, and from the colours, I'm guessing I'll need to make the poop. And I also have these 2 nano tapes and this pump. I could reuse it. And I was wondering where the sheets were, but then I inspected the box a bit more. I figured I was, oh, come on. It says poop squishy. Look, poop squishy. Oh, I can make a cheeky face. Okay. Oh, I love how there's slime in it though. Oh, I hope it's good slime. Maybe if there's some left, I'll use it as slime. I'll put this aside. I'll put everything aside actually. Ugh, so much stuff. Oh no, don't roll down. Okay. Let's read the instruction sheet. I don't want to make a poop squishy. It says make your poop squishy. Oh. Okay. Make my own poop squishy. I guess I'll be making a poop squishy today, guys. Cut out 3 pieces of nano tape, reducing the length each time, about 8 centimeters for the first, 6.5 centimeters for the second, and 5 centimeters for the third. Oh, they never told me I needed a ruler. Give me a minute. I've got to go fetch my ruler. Got it. Ruler acquired. Don't question why it's so dirty. I use my Sharpie with it as well. And well, I'm gonna do this later. I'm gonna like progressively do that. Where's the QR code if you guys want it? Oh, here's a QR code if you guys want to scan it. So, first I'm gonna get my beautiful clear nano tape. Yeah, I have nano tape, but it's like, it's thin. Whoa. It's so greasy. Sticky as well. There's actually barely anything on this. Why can't they put more? And I also, so first it says that I need to, like I said, cut 3 pieces of Nano Tape, reducing the length each time about 8 centimeters for the first blah 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 blah, etc, etc. My ruler? Oop, that was unnecessary. Okay, I got the ruler, I got the Nano Tape. So the first is 8 centimeters. Whoa, okay. It's about up to here, so I'm gonna cut it here. Oh, come on. Okay, I did a dent where it should be. Oh, it's so hard to cut, especially with these mini scissors. And sorry for being silent. I'm really silent when I'm focused. I'm just gonna place it like down in order. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. I'm gonna do it from like smallest to big. Oh, so luckily it's not very sticky though. Next one is 6.5. It's here, like around here. I hope I got it right. I love how stretchy it is. Yeah, this is right. Got this here. It is smaller. And the next one is 5 centimeters. I wonder how much it's reducing by. You guys can do the maths if you like to, if there's any mathematicians watching this video. Oh. Oh. Yay! Got it. Okay. Can't wait to get to the step where the slime's included. So next it says, roll a pinch of brown butter slime. Yes! Okay, so roll a large pinch of your brown butter slime into the bowl. A large pinch, guys, a large pinch. And place it in the middle of your longest Nano Tape. So this one, I don't need these. Okay. Okay, let me put these aside. The big ones to start to show this time. Flatten it down to a disc shape. Okay, okay. So let me get my wonderful brown slime. I wish it was in a container, not a bag. Do I have it open? Yes, guys, it's open. Ooh, it feels like mousse. Oh, I don't like that. Why is it so wet? It sounds like chocolate mousse when you eat it. But it's a really good slime. And I want to eat it. It smells like nothing. It's just, like, from the beginning it kind of looked like chocolate mousse. Who agrees with me? Type in the comments below. I hope I'm not going to be the only one. So roll a large pinch of your brown butter slime into the bowl. Oh yeah, I forgot. So a large pinch, probably didn't be this. I thought it'd be like some kind of overactivated slime. But it's actually not, and that's really cool. So, a large pinch. It's a disc. It's a very deformed disc. I want more. I want it to be a very nice squishy. Anyways, I don't think I'll be playing with the slime very often. And next it says peel off the backing film and wrap the Nano Tape around your butter slime. Oop. Now wrap the Nano Tape around your butter slime, pinching it together at the back to seal. Trim any excess tape to neaten it up. Okay, so it doesn't need to be very ugly. It's poop, so it's usually very ugly anyway, so I hope I'm doing this right. Oh, the peel. Oh, I'm so scared. So I need to watch this. Peel off the backing film. Okay, so I'm gonna make it like into like some kind of like shape. Oh, I like how squishy it is already. That's fun. Oh, it's already so squishy. I love it. It's not gonna be very pretty from the back, but that's fine. It's gonna be a very neat poop, I guess. Very neat, very rectangular poop. Don't look at the back, guys. The back isn't important. Okay, I will be repeating it for the next 2 and 3 pieces of nano tape, using slightly less for the medium length piece and less again. Oh, this is making me, oh no, it's stuck. Okay, so first we're gonna put aside our first one. 8 minutes for me to do this, this is crazy. Okay, so we've got to put this here. Got to get less of the slime. I feel like that's too much. I feel like this is pretty good. I feel like I'm always doing too much. I want to like do a bit less. That's good. Perfect. Yeah, this is the medium one, right? Yeah, that's the medium. And then I got to, oh wait, it's not a disc shape. Oh, it's more like, it's not very disky, but that's fine. The poops, this one's already like bunching together. Let me open it up. Guys, I'm sorry that you need to watch me make a poop. Finally, I have it. Yeah. Finally, guys, I got it. Round of applause. Oh, that was satisfying. I love the peel though. Making there's so much space left. Oh, why does this feel longer? Like the same length? Oh. I hope it's not the same length. Okay, it's not the same length, guys. It's perfect, I guess. I mean, poop isn't very perfect, but that's fine. Stretch this up. I'm gonna make this miniature. Oh, I think it's looking pretty good so far. I see you, Diva. Okay, let's put our diva aside. Now I'm going to do my next one, and I'm going to speed this part up because I've done it twice and I don't think you guys want to see it another few times. Okay, I finished it. So, oh, this one's really big. Why is my poop so blocky? Is it squishy? Oh, it's really good to, it's really fun to, oh, the top. Okay, that's better. Okay, that looks better, I guess. Well, this is fun. Disgusting, but fun. I'm gonna put the slime aside. Our beautiful slime. Well, it's actually a really good butter slime. Guys, if you really like slime, just buy the kit. It has really good slime that makes really good pops. Okay, so now I got my wonderful poop. What's next? Pete. And now stack your 3 pieces. I already did that. Press out the poops and then stick it on. Okay. I'm probably not going to stick it on this side. I'm going to stick it on this side because this side's the diva side. And yep, let's get this out. What if I don't want my poop to have a face? It makes it even more disturbing. Okay. Ta-da! Perfect. It's beautiful. Ta-da! It's more of a triangle, but I still like it. It's really fun, squishy, aesthetic. It's really satisfying and I like how squishy it is, like sticky as well. The eyes like kind of like, the face just like, it's kind of like extra addition. But yeah, it's fun, I like it. Don't know if I should open up the yellow butter slime because I don't think I'll need it. And it feels really overactivated, so I'm not gonna do anything with that. I guess the pump is like for those blown up ones. Wait, let's try make a squishy that is like one of those squishies. I don't know how to say it, but it's really cool. I'm probably not gonna manage because I'm really bad at this kind of stuff, but I can try. I've got to cut off a very small piece of nano tape. Guys, trust me with this. I've got to wrap it around. I'm going to peel this off first. Oh, finally. There we go. I hate it when the plastic sticks from my hand. Could do like this. Oh. This nano tape is very not sticky at all. I'm going to steal it. Not steal it, seal it. I hope it works. Why is it not working? Is there like a hole? What if I pinch the sides? Yeah, this is a huge flop. This ain't working. It's blowing out somewhere, but I don't know where. Oh wait! Oh, it's not the squishy, it's the pump. Oh well. Guys, if you know anything about that, can you like tell me in the comments so that I know what to do later? So that like maybe I can make a short video about it or something. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate every single one of you, and my poop appreciates you guys as well. See? It's so happy when you guys like and subscribe. And if you donate me on buymeacoffee.com, then never mind, he's not gonna be frowning. He is gonna be very, very, very happy, and I might make part 2 of this. You know, I just realised the squishy is not very good to play like rough with. Oh well, I guess that's what nano tape squishies are all about, guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Like I already said, I appreciate every single one of you. And I put my all into this video, so I'd really like it if you guys like support me by subscribing, liking, commenting, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, you could comment them down below. But enough of that. Thank you so much for watching, and sadly it's the end of today's video, so bye!